Hello, my name is Alexius Dorsey, and I am currently enrolled as an online full-time second-year graduate student in the Consumer Apparel and Retail Studies program within the Bryan School of Business and Economics. After researching a multitude of graduate programs, I decided to enroll in the Bryan School of Business and Economics due to their graduate success rate, connections to retail industry brands, and the ability to complete the program within 2 years. What I love most about the Consumer Apparel and Retail Studies program will be the deep connection I feel to the department, even though I am an online student. For example, I was invited to attend a class field trip to the Cotton Inc. headquarters in Cary, North Carolina. This was truly a once in a lifetime opportunity and shows how the cars department has established connections in the retail industry. Thank you for listening to my story, and I hope you too will become a Spartan.